We are going to talk about how to increase your vocabulary. Increasing your vocabulary is an important part to understanding many of the things we listen to, read. There are a few tricks and tips for you to keep in mind as you go through this class and beyond. Read, read, read. Read everything and anything you can get your hands on. It really doesn't matter what it is, just as long as you are interested in it and can enjoy it and understand it. For example, if you're a big sports fan, pick up a newspaper, read online articles, or even listen to the news. You might even pick up a popular magazine about sports. For instance, you might be interested in cooking. You could enjoy reading a cookbook or following cooking instructions, or visit a popular website that concentrates on a style or type of cuisine that you prefer. Another good choice is to think about movies that you've seen and really liked. Many movies were first published as books, so you can dive into that story in the written form. Listen. Listen carefully. When you are watching a show, a movie, or even having a conversation, pay attention to the vocabulary words that you may not know. Use the words you do recognize to gain meaning. The way people speak will help you decode the words because they are telling you something that you want to understand. If there is an unfamiliar word used, try to use the surrounding words to make sure you understand. Write. Expressing your thoughts and ideas can be very powerful and rewarding. When you are practicing new words, take a minute to decide what you do or don't understand about it. And then do a little simple research to gain more understanding and knowledge about how to use it. The more often you write that word and put it to use, the more likely you really are to remember it. There can be many uses of the word. Think of the word beautiful. I think it's a good choice to show how to use context clues. In this sentence, the sky is beautiful. It is a correct sentence, but we don't know much about the details. It doesn't give us clues to the meaning of the word beautiful. We could make a guess. We know that the sky is blue, but does beautiful mean blue? We also know that the sky can sometimes be overcast and gray. Does beautiful mean overcast or gray? Let's look at another example where there is more detail to describe what the word beautiful might mean. The blue sky is so beautiful, filled with its lovely clouds and bright sunshine. This goes a little further in giving context to what the word beautiful means. We can tell by the words around it that it's something people want to look at, that it's something pleasing to see. The words lovely and bright also suggest that it's talking about something nice. There are other ways to take a look at words you may not know. We can look at the other forms that a word may be used. For example, in our first sentence, beautiful was used as an adjective. There's also a situation where beautiful can be used as the word beauty and it acts as a noun. For example, the dog that won first place in the show was a real beauty. There's also a form where beautiful is used as an adverb, and that word is beautifully. For example, the stunning ballerina was so graceful and danced beautifully throughout the performance. This tells us how she danced in the performance, and the surrounding words point toward that meaning. Last, beautiful can also be used as a verb. The word is beautify. For example, we tried to beautify the beach by picking up trash near the shore. In final tips, it's always important to go a little further and use the surrounding words to gain context about a word. And as you see here, you might be more familiar with another word form, and that can help you use that understanding to comprehend the use of the word in context.